Hello, foodies and fellow adventurers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the vibrant and flavorful world of Brazilian cuisine. We'll be exploring a dish that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. Bobo de Camarao, a delicious Brazilian shrimp stew. This creamy and aromatic dish hails from the northeastern region of Brazil, where the influence of African, indigenous, and Portuguese cultures has created a rich culinary tapestry. Bobo de Camarao is a prime example of this delicious fusion. In Brazil, the word bobo is derived from mbobo, a term used by West African slaves to describe a thick, creamy sauce. Over time, this concept was incorporated into Brazilian cuisine, resulting in the beloved Bobo de Camarao. It's not just a dish, it's a cultural masterpiece. Now that we understand its heritage, let's dive into the heart of this dish: the ingredients and preparation. Bobo de Camarao is known for its unique combination of flavors and textures. First up, we have our star ingredient, fresh shrimp. These succulent crustaceans add a seafood twist to this creamy delight. But Bobo de Camarao wouldn't be complete without the creamy, nutty goodness of coconut milk, a true Brazilian staple. Next, we have the backbone of flavor, dend oil. Alongside it, we've got aromatic herbs and spices, such as cilantro, garlic, and malagueta peppers, to give our dish that unforgettable Brazilian kick. To prepare Bobo de Camarao, you'll need to start by marinating the shrimp in lime juice and garlic. Meanwhile, we'll sauté onions, bell peppers, and tomatoes in dend oil, creating a rich base for our stew. Once the veggies are tender, we'll add the marinated shrimp, allowing them to cook until they turn pink and succulent. To thicken the stew and add that unique texture, we'll mix in cassava, or yuca, puree. It's a Brazilian root vegetable that provides that melt-in-your-mouth sensation. And remember, patience is key when cooking Bobo de Camarao. The longer it simmers, the more the flavors meld together. With our Bobo de Camarao ready to roll, let's talk about serving and enjoying this Brazilian masterpiece. Traditionally, Bobo de Camarao is served with fluffy white rice or, even better, Brazilian farofa, a toasted cassava flour mixture that adds a delightful crunch. When it comes to enjoying Bobo de Camarao, it's all about savoring the rich, creamy stew alongside the fresh, juicy shrimp. The flavors burst in your mouth, and you'll feel like you're transported to the Brazilian coast with every bite. Before we wrap up our journey into the world of Bobo de Camarao, let's share some fun facts and variations of this incredible dish. Did you know that Bobo de Camarao is often associated with celebrations in Brazil? It's a dish that brings people together, whether for birthdays, weddings, or simply a joyful gathering with friends and family. And while we've explored the classic version today, there are regional variations of Bobo de Camarao throughout Brazil. Before we dive deeper into the culinary wonders of Bobo de Camarao, let's take a moment to appreciate its health benefits. While it's undeniably delicious, this dish also packs a nutritional punch. Shrimp, the star of the show, is an excellent source of lean protein and low in calories. Dend oil, although used in moderation, offers health benefits too. Lastly, cassava, used to thicken the stew, is a great source of dietary fiber, aiding digestion and promoting a sense of fullness. Bobo de Camarao isn't just a meal, it's a cultural symbol. It's deeply embedded in Brazilian traditions and has been for centuries. During festivals like Carnival, Bobo de Camarao often takes center stage, celebrating the vibrant and diverse culture of Brazil. It's a dish that brings people together, fostering a sense of unity and celebration. In Bahia, a region renowned for its Afro-Brazilian culture, Bobo de Camarao is especially cherished. It's an essential part of Bahian cuisine and showcases the region's unique flavors and influences. Bobo de Camarao also has a special place in Brazilian literature and music, often mentioned in songs and stories that celebrate the country's heritage and traditions. Ready to try making Bobo de Camarao at home? Here are some tips to ensure your dish turns out perfect every time. Use fresh, high-quality shrimp for the best flavor. When preparing the cassava puree, make sure it's fully cooked and well mashed to achieve that creamy consistency without any lumps. Balance the flavors by adjusting the spiciness to your liking. You can add more or fewer malagueta peppers to suit your heat tolerance. In addition to cilantro, try adding chopped scallions, diced tomatoes, or a squeeze of lime for extra freshness. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, you can serve it with a side of traditional Brazilian acarajé, a deep-fried black-eyed pea fritter filled with shrimp. It's a match made in culinary heaven. As we wrap up this culinary journey, I hope you're as inspired as I am to try Bobo de Camarao at home. It's a dish that not only satisfies your taste buds but also offers a glimpse into the vibrant culture of Brazil. Remember, cooking is an adventure, and every dish tells a unique story. If you enjoyed this exploration of Bobo de Camarao, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious journeys around the world. Thank you for joining us today on our channel. Until next time, happy cooking and bon appétit!